back to the channel. Happy Monday, happy start to the new week. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having the best day ever. Getting better by 1%. I'm trying to do the same. Today my plans were changed a bit and I am happily home with my little girl. One of my little girls, she did not feel well this morning. Little diarrhea action going on, stomach pains. So there's no outside side hustling for me today. It is a short week for me waiting tables. I'll only be waiting tables Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But I should be able to figure it out. These are weeks when I'm only waiting tables 3 times, when I really try to push it in the mornings. But today is still technically my day off. Everyone should get 2 days off, right? At least. I know it doesn't happen for everybody, but this is still my weekend. This is my Sunday. So I'm just chilling, spending some quality time with my girls. I'm happy that we have the schedule that allows ourselves to do this. It's always been that way. One thing that's been huge on our break-free journey is we never had to pay for childcare, and I got to spend so much time, extra time with the kids while they were young. And that was a total blessing and hopefully made me a better person and a better father. I survived the weekend at work. It was fine. It was very busy. We were booked solid, like no tables, almost overbooked. Can you be almost overbooked? We were completely booked, which is a rare occurrence. We did the big parties. They went well. The hardest part is getting them all in. You get a 14 and some 2 6s and a 17 into the kitchen, and it's very hard, but we did our best. We timed it out, made some good money. Now I'm gathering some tax stuff for eBay. I have all my receipts, some like bubble wrap and any supplies that I might have needed in this big box, or stuff that I bought at the Salvation Army, because I have to write off a lot of this stuff for eBay. I sold $45,000 worth of stuff last year, so that's a lot. I've never had that point yet, so I've never had to figure out stuff to write off, even though I have been keeping it. And I actually have this little list here too. See, I have this sheet, which I'll overlay here. I have a spreadsheet of what I bought, how much I paid for it, when I sold it, where I sold it, and what my profit was. And I keep that for all of the marketplaces: eBay, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Poshmark. And so I just went through and I found all my eBay sales. Garage sales do count, I think, if you have them organized in a manner. So hopefully that will count. I'm going to print off my eBay and Amazon purchases also, and we'll see how that goes. I guess it's a good problem to have. But what else is going on? I weighed myself yesterday. Not good. I think I'm the heaviest that I've ever been. 196. 194. I was tickling 194, 195 for a bit. I'd sneak back down to 193. I did good a couple weeks ago and got into the 180s, then tailspinned. I guess I should start today. I need longevity. I want to be mobile. I'm 43, going on 44 in March. When I get off the couch, when I get up at night, I'm going like this. It's like I'm lifting weights. And as I get up, both of my knees hurt. My whole body hurts. I got to start small. I'm going to do some body weight stuff, some stretches. I'm going to take pictures of a bunch of 45s today to list. I'll kind of show you guys a little bit of that. But I need to get back into shape for many different reasons. But if I'm struggling this much at 43 to get off the couch, to bend down when I'm at work, and my shirt's all tucked in and everything, and there's something you got to get off the ground, it's just not the best thing for me, and it kills me because I don't want to be in the pain that I'm in. But hopefully stretching and diet will help. So it's going to be a challenge for me. It's my biggest challenge, but hopefully I will be able to accomplish it. Hey, what's up, guys? Checking back in. It's about 11:20. My daughter's doing pretty well. Some cuddles on the couch. She's settling in. I've been trying to be productive around here, cleaning the house, listing some records for sale. I'm getting hungry. I don't want to diet. A bit tired. Stayed up way too late last night. Couldn't get to sleep. But the sun is out. And it's all good. I am not going to break down with food. You can really notice my salt and pepper hair for here. I remember the days when it was just black, but she's going gray pretty good. Been growing out the top a little bit more. I think I'm going to go downstairs and do a light lift. Light lift and a light stretch. I have not lifted in months due to pain. I'm going to stretch it out. And I'm going to take the first baby step. I'm going to make a 1% improvement. I'm going to get a little bit better today in all areas. Oh, also, waiter gripe. Last weekend, Friday and Saturday, I had a table no tip. And not because they were like, screw this guy. I think they just didn't, forgot. And they were big bills. One bill was $179, and the next bill was just over $300. That's leaving about $100 on the table. Bummer. We still did okay, but man. And another thing I get nervous about is when people tip cash. Cash would usually be good because it can't be reported right. You don't have to claim as much. But when I give people now the credit card machine, there's buttons on there that say 18, 20, 22 or 25%. I'd rather have the buttons guide the customer than let them go rogue on their own and throw down some money. Even if they leave you $20 on, a little bit over 100, it might not be quite 20%, and you'll be surprised how often that people leave a lot less, like 30 on 200 or something like that. Cash makes me nervous. The problems of a waiter. Close those eyes, bud.
Hmm?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Take a breakie.
Can we do hide and seek?
Me and you?
Yeah.
Yes, but can you rest first?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Definitely